Freddy fixes a frown. A short moral story. Freddy was a little fox who loved making others smile. Every morning, he'd wag his fluffy tail and greet his forest friends with cheerful words and silly dances. One day, while hopping down the trail, he spotted his friend Bella the bunny sitting alone, looking sad. "Why the long ears?" Freddy asked gently. Bella sighed, "I lost my favorite ribbon. Now I don't feel like playing." Freddy thought for a moment, then ran off. He returned with a bunch of wildflowers tied together with a vine. "It's not your ribbon," he said, "but maybe it'll help your smile find its way back." Bella giggled and hugged Freddy tight. "Thank you. You always know how to fix a frown." From that day on, whenever someone in the forest felt down, Freddy found small ways to brighten their day, sharing acorns, singing funny songs, or just listening. He didn't have magical powers, but Freddy knew something special: a little kindness goes a long way. The forest became a happier place, one smile at a time. Moral: even the smallest act of kindness can turn someone's day around. Kind heart is the best kind of magic. Thank you for watching.